portion of this video, we're gonna start with waxing. I am super hairy. It's not even funny. My eyebrows are just so incredibly hairy right now. I haven't done this in months, so we're a little crusty. She needs to be waxed. She's hairy. Hairy doesn't always mean ugly. Everyone loves fuzzy things, so I'm fuzzy and cute. Anyway, we're gonna start with waxing the face, specifically my eyebrows. I did dermaplaning 2 days ago, so I don't want to touch any other part of my face, especially right now that I am breaking out so incredibly bad. But here is my wax kit. My boyfriend got me this, I think, off of Amazon, so it's relatively inexpensive. I think it was about $40 with the whole kit, and it even comes with the waxing beads, which you obviously are gonna need. So this is it. Now, it's probably been like a month or two since I waxed, and last time I was like, oh, I'm gonna keep doing this, have a whole routine. So I think there's some wax in there. We're gonna get rid of her. We don't know if it's still good or not, and I don't want to risk breaking out even more. So, but yeah, look how much I still have so much wax beads we can use. And I think they're all for something different. Formulated for coarse hair. Now, they all say it can be used on all hair types. So, I assume it's also for the bikini as well, which, girl, I'm so scared to do that. And I honestly might try it. I just watched a TikTok on it, and it didn't look too hard. If you are semi-flexible, it shouldn't be that difficult. Anyway, this is the wax in there. I'm gonna get this all set up and prepped so we can start waxing our eyebrows. And once it's ready, we will get started with waxing. Let's start off by getting my hair out of my face, because we don't want to get any wax on my actual hair, because we want that to stay on our head. Now I'm gonna go in with some pre-wax spray. It's just to cleanse the area to make sure it's all clean and prepped so that the wax actually pulls off my hairy eyebrows. This is the one that came with the kit, so I'm sure you can buy some online, and I'm just going to be using a paper towel to clean the area. I'm going to do the bottom and then the top, my unibrow. I'm going to switch to the other side so we get more. I'm pretty sure my wax is ready. She's runny like honey. So in all the TikTok videos I watched, which made me an expert, by the way, obviously I'm kidding, but it says that needs to be like a honey consistency. Now that we've achieved that, we can start waxing away these unwanted hairs. Honestly, I'm kind of scared. So I hope it's not too hot. Here we go. Oh no. Oh shit. Ah. Fuck, you guys. What do I do? Ah. Okay, hang on. We're gonna fix this. We'll be right back. You guys, I'm so sad right now. So she took a little chunk off. It's totally fine. Anyway, let's keep going. I have a smaller applicator now because I don't want to repeat that. So now we have to make them look the same. I have no idea what I'm doing, and I think we're just gonna start with less this time. I think that's the way to go. Yeah. I think I'm just gonna apply all of the strips. I don't know if you're supposed to do that, but I just can't be waiting around all day. Girl. Oh my god, should we start ripping stuff? Okay, that didn't work. We got any? Yes. There's some. What the heck? I think it's because I'm pulling up. Ugh. You know who? We don't got that anymore. Okay, let's start ripping shit off. Guys, I'm sweating. I'm freaking sweating right now. Okay. I feel like that's looking pretty good. Minus our little bald spot, but we can fill that in. I don't think I'm doing this for a long time. Eyebrows are pretty much done. Let's move on to the makeup part. I've showered everything, let my eyebrows calm down. It's honestly been a day later, but they're still going up for Thanksgiving. We still got time. So I feel like my eyebrows came out pretty good, minus the little mishap, but nothing an eyebrow pencil can't fix, you know what I mean? So we're going to start with skincare because I need to prep my face for makeup. I didn't even say what I was using, but this is the E.L.F. Skin Holy Hydration Face Cream with hyaluronic acid and peptides. It's not my favorite right now, but it's what I got, so that's what I'm using. Also, if you can hear in the background, my son is sick. Poor guy. I can hear him coughing. He's in his room, laying in bed, watching some movies. So if you hear that, that's what it is. Now I'm going to go in with some SPF. This is the Cetaphil Sun 50 Sheer Mineral Face Liquid Sunscreen. And I usually just shake her up, and I actually put a lot, and I'm just very liberal with it because I really want my skin to age well. So I put this on every day, even if I don't wear makeups. And even if I don't go outside, I still wear it. So this is what is going on. For primer, I'm just taking the E.L.F. Power Grip Primer. And this is good if you have dry skin, and it helps my makeup stay on all day. And I like that it doesn't dry my skin out because I have really dry skin right now since it's winter. And I bring it down my neck like this. For foundation, I'm taking this L'Oreal Infallible 32-hour foundation, and I'm mixing these two shades because for some reason I can't find my perfect shade, but when I mix these two, it's perfect. So this one is in the shade 430 and this one is in 420, so they're literally, there's no in between these. So we mix them, and I take the lightest shade first and I put a pump on the back of my hand, and then I do a smaller pump of the darker foundation, and I just boop, and then I'll mix her up. Also, I accidentally burned my hand from the wood burning stove, so that's what that is. But yeah, I like to mix it up on my hand first, and then, oh, we have, why didn't you guys tell me I had sunscreen left on my nose? Anyway, I'll go in and just put it all over my face, and then I'll put a little bit extra on the areas where I want more coverage, like where my pimples are. And for me, this is faster. This is my fast makeup routine because I can't, especially that I'm the one cooking Thanksgiving dinner. Well, like, everyone's bringing stuff, but it's hosted here at my house, so I'm not gonna have a lot of time to get ready because everyone's gonna be coming. So for Thanksgiving, we're just gonna have to make do with my 5-minute makeup routine. So this is literally what I do when I go to work and I have 10 minutes to do my makeup. Well, 5 minutes to do my makeup, 5 minutes to do my hair. So this is literally what I do, but I'm in a rush. Like, I don't take my time like this. I like super quick with it. So let's fast forward through me blending this out. But this is the E.L.F. Camo Concealer. I feel like it's really bringing out all the dry spots. So I'm just gonna go in, and then I have to be quick about it because this shit dries so fucking quick. So gotta be quick with it. Now I just go in with bronzer. I don't even set my face since my face has been so dry lately. Like, I can't even set it because then it just starts to look really bad. So this is the Colourpop, and she's a little crusty in Silverstrand Beach. It's the Colourpop matte bronzer. So I literally just go over my foundation with this. Now for blush, I'm using the Colourpop Super Shock blush, and this is in the shade Jump Turn. I've been wanting to use this blush, and it's this really shimmery dark fuchsia color that I'm just excited to try it. So let's apply. I use the same. This is my favorite brush. If I could duplicate this brush, I would, and use it for everything. But I use it to apply my oh my god. I use it to apply my blush as well. So wow, that's such a pretty color. And I figured it's winter, so this would be a perfect time to use it. I am the type of person who loves using a shit ton of blush, so. Now we'll do lips. I'm gonna go in with this Colourpop Lippie pencil, and this is in the shade Scarlet Letter. Now I'm going in with this Cream Luxe lipstick, also by Colourpop. This is in the shade Gamer Girl, and it's such a pretty nude color that I'm just gonna brighten this up a little bit because I feel like this is a very dark lip liner. So I like how much that muted it, and this on its own is really pretty, but it's a little too nude for me. So if you mix it with a darker lip liner, it comes out really pretty. So okay, now I'm just gonna curl my lashes and put on some mascara. I use the L'Oreal Panorama mascara because it's my all-time favorite. Lashes are done. I just curled them and put some mascara on. So now that our makeup is done, our 5-minute makeup, although it probably took longer, but this is my usual 5-minute makeup look. Like, I don't put lashes, I don't do my eyeshadow. This is just something quick to get it out of the way so we actually look put together. But now we're gonna do the hair, and I am not one to spend a lot of time on hair, so this is my favorite hair tool I like to use. It literally makes it look like you got a blowout. And then this was only $30 last year on Black Friday on Amazon, so it's lasted me about a year now. So this is what I'm gonna use, and we're just gonna fast forward through it because it's, one, it's loud, and two, it actually kind of takes some time, like around 10 to 15 minutes. So let's do our hair. Our hair and makeup is done. Now we move on to the outfit. I have 2 ideas in mind, and I just bought it off of Shein, so let me show you guys those pieces now and then show you what those outfits look like. Actually, instead of doing the outfit, let's do our nails. I completely forgot about the nails, so I have so many options to choose from and I can't pick which one I want to do. So let me lay out the options and show you guys what we're trying to choose from, because I think I have 5 different options, and I kind of think I know which one I'm gonna choose, but let me just show you guys. These are what we're trying to choose from, and I'm kind of leaning towards this one because it gives Thanksgiving fall vibes. Let me show you guys up close. Hopefully you can see it, but it's got some cute fall details. Can you see that? One with mushrooms, a little cow skeleton head. It screams fall Thanksgiving to me, so these might be the ones I choose. These ones though, I really like these two. They're just really simple and have a black French tip, and they're just really pretty. These ones, now that I'm looking at them, I can probably save them for around Christmas time because they've got red and bows and they have cherries, but they give more Christmassy vibes, so definitely not these ones. And then these ones, they're just silver, have a silver design on them, and I was kind of leaning towards these, but now I think I'm gonna go with the first ones I showed you guys. And then these are the last ones, just like a cute French tip with some little crystals on them. And these are always a really good option when you don't know what to do. But let's do the first option. It's just a more fun nail. These are the ones we're going for. These are the ones we're going for. So let's, oh my god. These are the ones we're going for. So let's go ahead and put these on. Okay guys, this is the final look. I have to take off my nails because I have to make the Thanksgiving dinner, of course. So I'm gonna put them on afterwards, but this is the outfit. My hair, I just curled these pieces and I need my hair out of the way, so I just have it in a quick pony, so I'll take that out once I'm done. And here's a dress from Shein. It's kind of big, so I'm gonna probably put a belt to cinch in my waist because this is like a baby doll kind of dress. I only wish I would have sized down to a size small because this is actually pretty big on me. And then I have these leopard print leggings, the thermal leggings that are super stretchy and make it look like skin, because this is not my skin, guys. This is thermal lined leggings. And then I have these boots also from Shein as well. Alright everyone, that is the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below, and leave me a comment what you guys wore for Thanksgiving. Did you wear a dress, some comfy clothes, sweatpants? I wish I was wearing sweatpants right now, but it's okay. This will have to do. But anyway, that is it for this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!